Hello everyone, this is Ujjwal Mishra from Gemin Panther team at Prolifix. In this video, I'll show how we can run a Panther image on Docker Desktop for Windows. This is a Docker Desktop dashboard here. Here you can see, like in a container app section, here you can see there's a no container is running for now. So it's showing like no container is running. So if I'll go to the image section, you can see here, I have a one image in local that is called Prolifix Panther/Panther web, which is I just pull it from my Docker Hub account. And also you can directly pull it from here. Like if you will notice, I have logged into my Docker Hub account called Prolifix Panther, and it will show me like whatever images I have. So here you can see I have 3 repositories here. So 2 are global and 1 is private. So you can directly pull these images from here and directly run those images. So in a Docker desktop here, I have just pulled one images. So what you can do is like you can pull the image from two types. Like if you just go to the remote repositories and just click on pull, it will pull your image from there. Or what you can do is like you can go and go to your command prompt terminal and just pull the image. Here you can see I just pulled the image. So you can directly pull it from your command prompt of your Windows command prompt directly. So after that, now I'll just create and start a one container from here. So for running a container, there are also two options available. You can directly run your container from here, or you can use a command prompt for that. For now, I'll just use a command prompt like a base. I'll show you the basic commands to run a Docker container. So for that, I'm just running a command like docker run name, any name to my Docker container, and I'm just giving a ports that are not mandatory. Like if you don't want to run your Panther web here, and in detached mode, running a Prolifix Panther/Panther web, name of my image, just hit enter. So it will start a new container with the name called Panther from here. So here my container has been started. You can also check it from there. Okay, now I have created a container with the name of a Panther. So if now I'll go to the Panther/app section, you will see, okay, my container name is Docker from image Prolifix Panther/Panther web is in a running state. Now we will run a Panther Docker using a CLI. So opening a CLI, we just have to click on this option. It will open a command window that's actually a Docker Desktop CLI. So this is actually, we are inside a container. We don't even have to run a command called docker execute -t and the name of your Panther container. With the help of CLI, it will make you directly to the inside of the container. So now from there, I just run a command called prodev. Here we go. My Panther client is in open now. Here you can see everything is running and fine. Now I will also run a Panther web application using a Docker desktop. Okay, to run my Panther web application inside a container, I'll just run a simple command like Linux, Lynx. That's a browser for a character mode application, and a localhost, and the port name which I give while running my application, while running my Docker container, and the name of application, and the demo, and the name of my screen. Hit enter. So here you can see Panther web images coming up, which is running on a character mode browser. Here you can see this is a sample Panther web application that's just running a sample sign-on screen here. So with the help of a Docker image, the main advantage is that you don't actually need to have a Linux operating system to run your Docker image. As also it will help you to you don't need to memorize so much of Docker commands. It just provides a lot of option and lot of buttons, and with the help of that you can directly pull your image, run your image, you can directly stop your container. So there are various options are available on a Docker desktop that will help you to you don't really have to learn or remember a lot of commands. So this is all about our Docker desktop on Windows.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. If you are viewing a content for the first time, please press subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifix.com.